One song that seemed to really have your ticket for some reason, boss, is King Addies, bro.
You know, Addies just lucky, man.
Why would you say that? Because Addies,
yeah, because watch this
even
now.
up to a couple months ago, what was a dance in Amazura?
Yeah,
you and
the
boss,
dance
you
in
don't have luck
Amazura
against
now.
Addies.
Dance in Amazura. We have to take blame for that because, you know, we have all the ammunition. We have everything for win a dance, you know. I would just go there and make a couple of mistakes and it cost we, you know. You know? But nobody no feel no way, you know. They are coming, you know. Yeah, man, they are coming, man. They are coming, Addies are get a beating, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Boss, I don't know what it is with you and that song in particular. King Addies, you don't have no... You beat LP already. You beat Soul Supreme. But you see, Addies, boss, they have your ticket, Damion.
Once I have a ticket, you know, because the only time... Because I remember, you know, when enough people don't understand, you know, when Addies, when they play the back and back dance, when they claim they don't win it 2 times, when they never win it 2 times, right? The first dance, they lock off. They done. And the next dance, that was a bias dance. You know, enough people not gonna really want to talk about the dance. There was a flap dance, but all these people them in there. Anyways, them win. Any winner win. Whether you whatever you win. But remember, shortly after, remember so we go England World Clash, you know, with 7 sound where we win, you know. So we beat Addies there, you know. But it's a microwave clash. Nobody like them now and take it. If you know clash, but a win is a win. End of the day, a 6 sound we kill on 1 dance. Right? So really and truly, after Addies win there, so we beat back Addies after that. And when Addies not clash back till the other day. When Addies not clash back to the other day. You understand? So, I tell you something. See, sometimes, if you 2 sound them now buck up often, you know, it might look the way we look, you know. Because from 2014 till now is how much years? Nearly 10 years. Basically 10 years in a buck up. So on the night, 10 years down the line, on the night, somebody have to lose, you know. And, you know, we lose, right? But the ball game must go so the next time. Because I tell you, so we have everything to beat Addies the night, but we just made mistakes. And when 2 top contenders sound a play, you just want to take 1 man, 1 sound for mess up. You understand? Because I don't like one sound where I really know what them do. So, and then when I make a mistake in a dance and a crowd, so, oh, John, you have to build them back, it take a while. But if the next sound use it at their advantage, because remember, Addies couldn't make a mistake there with Bass Odyssey in there, you know. You understand? Because making a mistake with Bass Odyssey, because we can hold a momentum. We make a mistake and Addies hold the momentum. You get me I say? So that's part of a ball game. So me now, fans upset and people talk a whole lot of different things, but you wanna know, me I just know say watch now. I don't have a fear for that sound. I just know say the night that we make a mistake and if me can iron out and look at my mistake and know the mistake where we make, it's good. If me ever live in a limbo and go on like bias or find some problem. No, me have a problem. Because you have someone go come and say, oh, nah man, they don't win the dance and rare. I remember say, well, if a full play, pan full side, go on in the dance, see me. You understand? When they tell us the best out of 5 songs. And we did reach, how much song we did reach? 3 something. You understand? So, me not going to be the one now if you find fault. The man them win, and the gun, it done.
Yeah.
Just know say the next time a ball game.
Let's see what's going on, because that's one song that you definitely owe. You owe them a beating.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.